Hello friends, welcome to Distract-GIS. Today we go on discussing and giving demonstration of animation. How can you do animation in axing? So that I am going to be giving step by step. So let's start our video. First of all, you have to open your axing tool. So I am open here. After open, here the table of content, see layers, right click on see layers, city of projection. Okay. Go to project coordinate system, UTM, WGS 9084, Northern Hemisphere 43. Yeah, this is my UTM. So it may be different from different location. Okay, that you have to understand. Then select your respective UTM zone. Okay, then click on apply. Then okay. Next, I have to use here three databases. One is a water body is the main here, and another is a flood data, wherever the flood was happened. Another one is a very important, because then only we can understand how this two questions we can easy to answer with the help of DEM data, because DEM data I am going to here view 3D view, then I am going to apply the animation. So that I'm going to discuss it here. So first of all, I have to open my two database. Same I have to use. Right click on properties, symbology, categorize, add, remove this one, remove, then water body color blue. Okay, set no color. Okay. The next flag, same name, this one, remove. Flood we have to give a light blue, because we need to identify both water body and flood. So now you can see the both layers are open. So next I have to open the DEM file. Okay. Click on no. Okay, this is my DEM file of this district. Okay, so go to here property. The next you have to set your base height and here plotting on customize surface, because I am going to give you customize 3D. Then I have to 6. Here also I need to change layer of offset 1400. Because the layer of offset is my own. This is up to your wish. You can, if you want to change layer of offset is in 1000 above. That's depending on your area. Okay. You can add any value. Same in customizing the elevation value. So you can add 5 or 2, 3 like that. Okay. Then turn off this one. The next here water body also I have to set a layer of offset. Go to here, right click and go to here base height. Click on base height. Then go to here. Okay, here layer offset. Here also you have to give 1400. Then set it. The layer. You can feel some changes. Yes. Now you can see the changes. Right. So these changes only here give the result. The next I have to this one. So before working on here, add it. Click on right click here. Then you have to add animation. I already add here. Go to animation manager. Click on. Then here create. Here we need to define it, because which I am going to select in, because both layer name is different, same. So I need to give this value against flood layer. Okay, so here I'm going to change the name for the identification. Okay, flood. So now you have to go once again, go to animation, then animation menu, here create value, then select the flood. Here nothing here, just click on new, then drag over, then create 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 up to. This is totally depend on your layer offset. Okay, here z value means you all know x y what, z what. Okay, z value is very key role for here. 1000 200 300 4. This is a totally different one because you want to give one the value, that set value you can give 1 to 1400. If you want 50 also you can do 50, 100, 150, 60. That's up to you. Here I just giving the demo. That's the reason I just adding 1000 is my interval. If you wish to add more less value means you can add. Don't worry about that. It will work. 1000. Okay, update. Just close it. Turn on. I think this is not a better color. I need to change some better color. Then click on invert. So that time the color total will change and it's a look like 3D you can find. Alright. So now you can find which are the which areas are the so this shadow color mode is there, that is a highlight. You can see here there is no any continuity because this is a very low light. So anyway we can find it. Okay, then click on this one. Okay, here animation we already added tool. It's an open animation control. Always you can click on control R, that is will like open. Now we can see here some changes are happening, right? Yes. So this color may be not good for you. So we can change some better color. I think we need to identify which are the areas are flooding, right? Which is the best color here. I hope this is maybe better. Okay, now I need to turn off this one. Water body on it. Now you can see here. Click. This is the area is in flooding, right? See now this area. You can click this area. You see. So compare here flood, here flood, here. Then these areas are not flood because of this is the highlight. If you compare between these two areas, here and here, this is highlight. And now you can see. You see. Here all this is a big water body. Okay. Compared to here, this is small, but this is very big, and also the flooding is very high. Volume is affected, and then click on another. Then now you reach here. Okay, because this is depend on the land. Now you can see again. See this much areas are not covered because now we play again here field. So this is a flood animation. So these are the water body files. Then this water body, how much areas are covered. You can once again I have to play for you. Yes, this photo is here, this area up to here. So what is the final decision of this demonstration? we have to more care about in this area, because why mean this is a very near to the coast area and also very easy. If you have the heavy rain, there are two ways flooding is there. One is in two more ways. Flash flooding is there, then coastal flooding is there. So if you have any embankments over here, then there is less chance is there. If it doesn't have any embankments or any prevention, because the coastal the sea water from, if you maybe know the when the rain happens, that's in the wind speed, depend on wind speed, that is the whole factors. If we have the more wind speed, this water level will come from one sea to that area. That time if we have, is there any prevention like that, embankments or something, or there is any precaution we have to make a button to something like that for stopping our water from the sea. And flash flood will be here because this is a lowland. That means, I mean lowland, which means here as compared to here, this is a very much vulnerable for flooding. And here also you can see. Now again, once again I have to play. You see. Yes. After this. And here also a few of the area. You can see. First move. Okay. Few of this. Right. On display. Yes. So this is the animation. With animation help, we can understand which are the areas are more flood prone area. So which are the areas are very safe. So which are the areas are very low. So which are the areas are highlight. So based on this data or visualizing by with the help of axing, we can show to the respective people and how to which are the areas that we can the more care need to take for the future, so that we can suggest. And based on that one, we have to maybe plan for the future. Then we have to stop our maximum whatever damage in our area, so that we can easy to do. Otherwise we can without visualizing for like this information, we cannot identify, because we are already aware about the media showing that area happened heavy flood, this area having flood, but there isn't any visualizing how it happened, future prediction. So nowadays the GIS has more important to the human life, the saving, the solutions that they give. GIS is a very important tool nowadays. Then we can say the right time, the right technology, we can how we going to say. So saying this is a very useful, and also when you're going to use more GIS tool for our planning and our future prediction, it is a very effectively the effective result we can get it. So this is my the demonstration of this one, and also the presentation of animation and data animation how can do with the help of our axing. So now I hope you all people understand the importance of this session or this training or demo. You people also take your place and get the data, then you have people also understand which are the areas are more what flood will happen in your area. You can take this use axing, then follow the same steps, and then more if you want to here you can add it to duration. So 29 duration means so that time it will take it very slow, and now you can see yes, you see that. Yes, yes, here. I hope this may be very helpful. Yes, yes, thanks for watching, and I hope you people will understand. Please try to follow, and you also people do the same. If you have ability to do this also, you can do them. You understand that your areas are flood prone area or not. So vulnerability you have to understand, then you have to move forward. Okay. Thanks for watching.